Welcome to our special program, The Power of Artificial Intelligence. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of AI, where cutting-edge technology and human ingenuity converge. Join us as we delve into the potential, applications, and impact of artificial intelligence. To understand AI, we must first grasp its fundamental concepts. AI refers to the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. Let's explore the key components and types of AI. Definition of AI: introduce the concept of AI and its goal to mimic human intelligence. Components of AI: explain the building blocks of AI, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Types of AI: discuss the distinction between narrow AI, task-specific, and general AI, human-level intelligence. AI applications in various industries. AI is revolutionizing multiple sectors, enhancing efficiency, and enabling new possibilities. Let's discover how AI is transforming industries around the world. Healthcare: showcase AI's impact on medical diagnostics, drug discovery, personalized treatment plans, and telemedicine. Finance: explore AI's role in algorithmic trading, fraud detection, risk assessment, and customer service automation. Education: discuss AI's applications in adaptive learning, intelligent tutoring systems, and personalized educational experiences. Transportation: highlight AI's contribution to autonomous vehicles, traffic management, and predictive maintenance. Manufacturing: explore how AI improves efficiency, quality control, and predictive maintenance in manufacturing processes. AI and society: as AI becomes more prevalent, we must consider the ethical implications and the impact on society. Let's delve into these critical aspects. Ethical considerations: discuss the importance of addressing bias, transparency, privacy, and accountability in AI systems. Job market and workforce: examine the impact of AI on employment, the evolving nature of jobs, and the need for reskilling. Social impact: explore AI's potential to bridge the digital divide, enhance accessibility, and improve public services. The future of AI. The future of AI holds tremendous possibilities and challenges. Let's glimpse into the future and the potential directions AI might take. AI and robotics: discuss the integration of AI with robotics and the implications for industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and exploration. AI in space exploration: explore how AI is aiding space research, satellite data analysis, and the quest for extraterrestrial intelligence. Ethical AI development: highlight the importance of responsible AI development and the role of collaboration between academia, industry, and policymakers. Conclusion: artificial intelligence has undoubtedly become an integral part of our lives and will continue to shape the future of technology. By understanding its potential, applications, and ethical considerations, we can navigate the AI-powered world with wisdom and harness its immense benefits. Join us next time as we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence.